Welcome to part 2, people, and in this part let's learn effectively some more ways in which to creatively effectively use the button tag. Okay, up front what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this image to a color. So instead of using a background color for the button, I'm gonna use instead of using the background image, I'm gonna use a background color. I'm gonna remove the image and let me replace this obviously with a color. So there goes. And not only that, I'm gonna add the cursor property and make it equal to the pointer. Let's see how it actually affects things. Let me put a semicolon out here and let's check it out now. So you can clearly see that the mouse pointer changes to this kind of a finger. Let's in fact take a look up in the browser. Just coming up. Okay, now people, very clearly you can see that this button, which has the label reload, has the cursor property set to a pointer. That is the reason why I get this nice hand indicating that yes, this is clickable, and as you can very clearly see, it's depressible too. Okay, what else can I teach you out here? In fact, the on-click event attribute, I can change this from history that we had learned in the earlier part to something called alert. So let me change this to alert, and let's get rid of this. Alert what? Alert single quotation marks out here. This is so crazy and useful. Okay, so this should pop up an alert which says this is so crazy and useful. Let's test it out then. Let's test out this time in Safari after saving the changes. Just give me a minute. Okay, there you have Safari. Let me click, and as you can clearly see, it says JavaScript alert, which says this is so crazy and useful, right? And what else do we have that I can teach you out here? There's an attribute which is disable. So let's add that right at the end, right at the tail out here. So using the disable attribute, setting it to disabled is equal to disabled, like that. Okay, and very clearly you could see that this color changed. This button is now disabled. Okay, let's check the truth out, this time in Google Chrome. It's actually disabled or not, and very clearly you can see, although the cursor property is working, but you can't press this button, nor do we get any JavaScript alert. Alright, so people, in part number 1 we had seen that we can use the background image. In part number that was in part number 1. In part number 2 I've replaced that with the background color. Right, I've used the cursor property to give you that nice hand with that finger, letting the users know that it's the button is actually clickable. And we have also seen the on-click attribute, JavaScript attribute, that allows us to give you an alert when somebody clicks. We've also seen the disabled attribute, how it actually disables the button. Alright people, so I hope part number 1 and part number 2 have been useful, will come in handy, and I also hope that you'll keep coming back for more tutorials from me. You have a good day. Bye bye. Peace.